What's poppin', chef? In today's video I'll be showing you some of the best plugins you can get right now. We're starting off with Cassette Roads. It's a synth-based VST. It sounds like this. I added some chords to it along with some plugins that I'll discuss later, but what was effects. Sounds like this. Now the next plugin we'll get into is the APC, and basically this is like another generator type of VST you can get, and I made this with it. And up next we have Voltage Modular. And it may look a bit more technical, but they have presets that allows you to choose from. Make some of your own presets, you can as well. For the fourth one we have Dexed, and I'm using the Say Again preset. I edited it a little bit, and it sounds like this. Now all together it sounds like this. Cassette Roads, I added SPL Ranger. Basically this is just EQ from plugin and line. I added Stl Tonehub. It has guitar amps, and right now I'm using the demo version. That sounds like this. With the effects on and with the effects off, it sounds like this. Effects on. For this Dexed plugin, I have a compressor, sounds like this. I also have a Fruity Stereo Shaper and Fruity Delay too. And all together it sounds like that. Let me turn it on. Now all together it sounds like this. That's it for today's video. I'll leave a description below for all of the plugins used, and they're all for free. Let me know which one was your favorite, and if you have any more that you use, let me know in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one.